Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. Today we will consider news about Polkadot cryptocurrency. Crypto exchange scraps fee charges for Ukrainian customers. To show its support, Local Bitcoins is removing trading fees for Ukrainians using the exchange, including those within and outside the country until further notice. In a press release, Local Bitcoin's chief marketing officer, Jacob Blomberg said, "Local Bitcoin's core value is freedom. We understand that at the moment Ukraine is facing extremely challenging times. For this reason, Local Bitcoins has removed all fees from its Ukrainian users." The exchange added via Twitter that the move means that all registered Ukrainians have a free wallet to use to send and receive Bitcoin. Ukraine will also have a viable means to convert donated bitcoins to their local currency, hryvnia. Crypto transactions have seen a marked spike in both Ukraine and Russia in the about 7 days the conflict has lasted. Per data from Coinmetrics, crypto exchanges operating in Ukraine including Binance, Local Bitcoins, and Kuna have seen significant surges. Hryvnia trading pairs with Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and stablecoins like Tether, USDT, have risen to some of their highest levels ever, the report added. Meanwhile, Ukraine continues to see massive mobilization of support from the crypto community. Crypto donations to the government of Ukraine, as well as other entities and NGOs supporting the country, have surpassed $50.9 million, going by Slomist's dashboard, monitoring the various crypto wallets. The government of Ukraine has also been expanding the number of cryptocurrencies it accepts from donors. Having added a Polkadot DOT wallet yesterday, it has today added an official Dogecoin Doge wallet. Ukraine has also announced that it will carry out an airdrop for crypto donors. Bitcoin's price recovery continues. The price of Bitcoin continued to trend upwards in the last few days, reaching an intraday high of $44,634 today. However, at the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at around $43,700, down 1.8% in the last 24 hours. The market has defied fears that sanctions may be placed on crypto, as governments try to isolate Russia's economy. However, analysts have dismissed the fears, saying that crypto, especially Bitcoin being a public ledger, would not prove viable for Russia to use in circumventing sanctions. So next news. Polkadot, DOT and Firepan token, FRPN, two altcoins that could outperform Bitcoin, BTC, in 2022. Bitcoin, BTC, is number one when it comes to cryptocurrencies. It has established itself as the market leader, and shot to its all-time high price of $69,044.77 in November 2021. Whilst an investment in Bitcoin, BTC, wouldn't necessarily be seen as a bad thing, the potential for huge gains and to at least 10x your investment is unlikely. This is because Bitcoin, BTC, has already seen mass price appreciation, and would need a market cap of $7 trillion to 10x from its current price. Thankfully, there are a number of mid-cap and low-cap altcoins that offer tremendous value over the coming years. Polkadot, DOT, and Firepan token, FRPN, are two projects with excellent fundamentals. Polkadot DOT is a revolutionary technology that promises to promote blockchain interoperability. Most blockchains currently operate independently, making data sharing with other platforms difficult. Through Polkadot DOT, average profit loss of investors that purchase CHC tokens over the past year. A negative value below -10% indicates that short-term holders are at a loss, and is typically where long-term holders tend to accumulate. Therefore, a value below -10% is often referred to as an opportunity zone. For Chile's, the 365-day MVRV was hovering at around -46.8% at press time, indicating a massive oversold condition. When we're 46.8% of the holders that bought CHC over the past year are underwater. Therefore, a further move south seems unlikely, and hence, a U-turn for CHC will appear plausible. At least from a long-term investor's perspective. Let's move on to the next news. How analysts expect crypto sports sponsorship spend to reach $5 billion in less than 5 years. The report splits into 4 pieces. Consumer and behavioral shifts, their impacts on sponsorship models, their impacts on sports media and content distribution, and major takeaways for brands and sports rights holders. Over the top, distribution, think Netflix, DAZN, Amazon Prime, etc., and its societal adoption is the first call-out from the report around consumer shifts. Relative to the general population, Gen Z consumers are more likely to be multitasking while watching sports, and fans are increasingly turning to social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch for sports content. The report also found sports sponsorships to lie quite high on the scale of trusted advertising, with more trust instilled in these sponsorships than simple TV advertisements, online video ads, and social media ads. Furthermore, ad distribution has helped sports grow to be must-watch TV, despite many linear television outlets holding on to dear life to their sports output. How are these societal shifts changing the way sports sponsorships come to life? Nielsen sees a clear correlation between visible sponsorship messaging and purchasing behavior, and now crypto firms are rapidly entering this space. From the past 2 years of immense growth in the crypto blockchain NFT category, Nielsen projects strong performance in sponsorship spend to continue. The firm's 2026 forecasts include single-digit percentage growth for traditional sports sponsorship categories like automotive, retail, and energy sectors. Nielsen projects double-digit percentage growth for the software-hardware category, and a massive 778% growth of the aforementioned blockchain category. Somewhat surprising, but at the same time, not surprising, is Nielsen's findings that esports fans are leading over sports fans, and the general population of both awareness and interest in crypto tokens. This is surprising, in part because of many vocal opponents of NFTs and crypto in the gaming and esport space. Nonetheless, it is easily the most technologically forward-thinking audience, so it shouldn't surprise us too much to see this audience leading in both awareness and interest. Last year was a record-breaking year for esport sponsorship deals, and we saw FTX, Coinbase, and many other crypto-first firms get involved. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard